if somebody just wants to do a redeck on their decking, it's really getting a good look at what they've got going on, what kind of decking they currently have, whether it's an old cedar or treated deck. If the decking started to rot, then a lot of times it means the joists underneath it are going to have some wood rot in it too. And when that happens, as we start to remove that old decking, it's going to have old rusty screws, maybe some old rusty nails in it. So as we start to remove that, the joists end up getting split. They start to break off, and then we have to actually replace those as well. So a lot of times the old wooden decks that have wood rot or start to do that dry rot, that's a pretty good indication that the stuff underneath is starting to do that as well. Now, they might have some old composite. Some of the composites from 12, 15 years ago, a couple brands that had some pretty serious failures. And so that decking just kind of started to disintegrate. Some of those situations, then yes, we can definitely do a redeck on them. But they really, if you're considering a redeck, it really needs to have a good inspection done, not just on the top, but also underneath to see what we're dealing with.